Explore Uganda, the vibrant heart of Africa, where the allure of its breathtaking climate, diverse vegetation, majestic lakes, and towering mountains beckons travelers from across the globe. Embark on a journey through lush landscapes adorned with verdant forests, teeming with wildlife, and dotted with picturesque lakes, offering endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. From the towering peaks of the Rwenzori Mountains to the serene shores of Lake Victoria, Uganda's natural wonders captivate the soul and ignite the spirit of discovery. Immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of culture and history and experience the undeniable power and beauty of Uganda, Africa's hidden gem. Nestled in the heart of Uganda, the equator marks a significant geographical milestone, dividing the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. Located near the town of Kayabwe, just south of the capital Kampala, this iconic line offers visitors a unique opportunity to straddle two halves of the world simultaneously. Tourists are drawn to Uganda's equator for several compelling reasons. Firstly, it's a prime spot to witness the Coriolis effect, a fascinating phenomenon resulting from the Earth's rotation. Here, visitors can observe water draining clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere, showcasing the subtle but profound influence of the planet's rotation on everyday occurrences. Lake Victoria, the largest tropical lake in the world, is a jewel in Uganda's crown, captivating tourists with its grandeur and diversity. Its expansive waters provide a playground for various water activities like fishing, boat safaris, and serene cruises. Beyond its recreational allure, the lake sustains thriving ecosystems, supporting diverse wildlife and vibrant communities along its shores. Visitors can immerse themselves in local culture, sample fresh seafood, and witness stunning sunsets over its tranquil surface. With its unparalleled beauty and cultural significance, Lake Victoria stands as a must-visit destination, offering unforgettable experiences for travelers exploring Uganda. Uganda boasts captivating waterfalls that beckon tourists with their natural beauty and adventurous activities. Iconic falls like Murchison Falls and Sipi Falls offer thrilling experiences such as boat cruises, hiking trails, and breathtaking views. Visitors can embark on safari expeditions to witness the majestic power of these cascades and encounter diverse wildlife in their surroundings. Beyond adventure, Uganda's waterfalls provide tranquil retreats for relaxation and photography, with lush landscapes and cascading waters creating mesmerizing scenes. Whether seeking adrenaline-fueled adventures or peaceful escapes, Uganda's waterfalls promise unforgettable experiences for tourists seeking nature's wonders. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Uganda's hot springs offer a unique blend of relaxation and natural wonder, inviting tourists to experience therapeutic benefits and captivating scenery. Located in places like Semliki National Park and Kitagata Hot Springs, these geothermal wonders attract visitors seeking rejuvenation and adventure. Activities include bathing in the mineral-rich waters believed to possess healing properties, and exploring the surrounding landscapes teeming with biodiversity. Whether indulging in wellness rituals or immersing in the beauty of untouched nature, Uganda's hot springs provide a holistic escape, making them an enticing destination for tourists in search of both physical and spiritual renewal. Uganda's wildlife is a marvel, thriving in its diverse national parks. In Murchison Falls National Park, witness the majestic African elephant, towering giraffes, and the powerful Nile crocodile along the Victoria Nile.
Finest safari expert, and today I'm in the Ishasha Gulf of Bwindi National Park, the home to the gorillas, and we are going for a gorilla trek. See you there.
Venture into Queen Elizabeth National Park, where lions roam the Ishasha sector's savannah, and hippos bask along the Kazinga Channel. Bwindi Impenetrable National Park is renowned for its mountain gorillas, offering a rare glimpse into their natural habitat. Meanwhile, Kibale National Park beckons with its playful chimpanzees swinging through the forest canopy. The Rwenzori Mountains, often dubbed the Mountains of the Moon, provide a stunning backdrop to this rich tapestry of wildlife. Each national park boasts unique lodges, blending luxury with the untamed wilderness. In Murchison Falls, retreat to Paraa Safari Lodge, where panoramic views of the Nile unfold from lavish suites. At Queen Elizabeth, Mweya Safari Lodge offers unrivaled comfort amidst the park's vast plains. For an intimate encounter with gorillas, Clouds Mountain Gorilla Lodge in Bwindi offers exclusive access to these gentle giants. Kibale Forest Camp provides an eco-friendly haven in the heart of the jungle, where the sounds of wildlife serenade guests under the stars. Why should you come and visit Uganda? Beyond its breathtaking landscapes and abundant wildlife, Uganda offers a truly immersive safari experience. Unlike more commercialized destinations, Uganda's national parks provide a sense of exclusivity and wilderness that is increasingly rare to find. Whether tracking gorillas through dense rainforests or embarking on a safari across the savannah, every moment in Uganda is an adventure waiting to unfold. Moreover, Uganda's commitment to conservation ensures that future generations will continue to marvel at its natural wonders. By choosing to visit Uganda, travelers contribute to the preservation of its delicate ecosystems and the livelihoods of local communities. It's a journey that goes beyond sightseeing, leaving a lasting impact on both the traveler and the destination. But Uganda is not just about its wildlife. It's also a cultural treasure trove waiting to be explored. The Maasai culture, though traditionally associated with Kenya and Tanzania, finds a vibrant presence in Uganda's Karamoja region. Immerse yourself in the rhythmic beats of their traditional dances, adorned in colorful attire, adorned with intricate beadwork. Learn the art of spear throwing, or participate in a traditional ceremony, gaining insight into the Maasai's deep connection to the land and their livestock. The Maasai culture holds immense relevance for tourists seeking an authentic African experience. Their nomadic lifestyle, rooted in centuries-old traditions, offers a glimpse into a way of life untouched by modernity. Engaging with the Maasai not only enriches the traveler's understanding of East Africa's diverse cultures, but also fosters a sense of appreciation for the resilience and adaptability of indigenous communities. In conclusion, Uganda is Africa's best-kept secret, beckoning travelers from around the globe to uncover its hidden treasures. Whether seeking the thrill of a safari or the warmth of cultural immersion, Uganda offers an experience like no other. So pack your bags and let Uganda's wild embrace awaken your spirit of adventure. Thank you for tuning into my video on Uganda's wildlife industry, presented on my channel, TravelSync. If you enjoyed the content, I encourage you to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with your friends and fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps me continue creating engaging travel content.